Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to change your Bluehost password. This is bluehost.com website, and to change your Bluehost password, simply click on Login and now click on Forgot Password. Select your Bluehost account you want to reset the password for. Check I'm not a robot and hit this send reset link. Before I continue this tutorial, let me tell you that you can access my online university today for free. Inside this online university, there are many online courses that can help you with your online business. Inside this Bluehost online course, for example, you will learn how to set up your website on Bluehost, how to manage your email account and domain name, optimize your website performance, and also other things like billing and account management. To get all of this today for free, simply go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Let's go back to our tutorial. Now let's check my email inbox for this reset email. This is my reset password email. Click on this reset password button. And now set your new password. Hit change password. As you can see, I selected a password that was previously used. I will try another one. Click on change password. Now let's try login using this new password. Click on login. Don't forget to give this video a like and leave your comment below. Thank you.